Hi, my name is Valeria and I'm going to present my evidence 3. The attack to the Trade World Center, it was a terrorist attack that occurred on September 11 in 2001, in which there were more than 3,000 deaths and losses. This is related to terrorism since it was triggered by a war. The tsunami of the Indian Ocean, there were many deaths and different nations came together to help. This is related to globalization. On February 4 in 2004, Mark Zuckerberg created Facebook. This is related to digital era. And finally, we have the day that Barack Obama became president, being the first African American president. Here are some pictures of the past events. What is globalization? It's a process of interaction and integration between people, companies, and governments of different nations. Terrorism. It's a form of violence that is distinguished from state terrorism by the fact that in the latter case its authors belong to governmental entities. What is unipolar war? This refers to two or more countries that come together to make some change, to support themselves, fight a battle, etc. And finally, digital era is a change from mechanical, analog, electronic technology to digital electronics. Why did the globalization emerge? At the origin of globalization, there are several criteria. Something that arise from the development of man and his expansion. There are those who talk about a meeting between two cultures, others argue that it's a complex process. The truth is that the historical origin of the globalization can be seen while we make an interpretation of the global. In most cases, what caused the terrorist attacks of 20th century? Since the end of Cold War, terrorist conflicts began to arise. Basically because they were not conformed with the government and the rights and obligations given either with the state's word. How does the end of the Cold War relate with the unipolar war? The post-Cold War international system is unipolar. The United States defense spending is close to have a global military expenditures. How has the digital era influenced today's society? This influenced in a positive way since it made a change in society as in the whole world. Currently, most people depend on technology advances such as laptops, tablets, internet, etc. And thank you for your attention.